Kublai pi baro kini gilongi kubor bam tagasi. Menteri Rangba Agajila Conrad Kisangmau labo Mawnongrim mi South Liki project na Surok. Ha East but West Jaiñtia Hills ki Bashongdor hado South pa pra Klur tingka ba Jaiñtia shis pa pra arp 100 kilometer. Kini ki project ki kentup ye Surok dekhia sutengah saipung pala semari dekhia sutengah saipung malsai haflong Surok seed rongheng Syahid Simpe bat sutengah khatdum na lor ka Surok skam talang Shalom Shirmit bat ka jingking hawa mentru. Habakran ha later ke bat dum Shirmit u Conrad ula ong bakini ki project kin penklanya ki lat jingso. Kentiu ika kamai keji bat pensuk iki pat ba banyo ika jing syakri baper. Kum ka kot ka kya berkapuli dang ni. Ula pentip ru bayi ki tanda jong gini ki project ladap khot balakmi lenti bensdang no ya ki kam hapo sau sansngi. Menteri Rangba ula kran ru halur ka kam ti doyong bat ong ba ka sarkar kadang trei ban weng ya ka jingkhang ti doyong kat kum ki kendon an bat jingya dai ka mariang ula penpau ru ya ka jing kershan bante ya ka Indo Stadium ha laterke.
Our Honorable Chief Minister, Sir Shri Conrad K. Sangma, we thank you, sir, so much for being with us today. I know during your busy schedule, you have taken up time and to give us this remarkable day and a history for my constituency and for the district, that you have come here to lay the foundation of 3 roads, which are, one is the Sutengah Saipung Pala Semesi Road, the other is the Sutengah Khatdum Champe Road, and the other one is the Saipung to Lora Road. We are so glad, sir, and we are so much grateful to you for giving us these 3 roads, and especially this road as being set by a person that for the last 12 years we have never received such kind of sanction, which is about 345 crores. We are so glad, sir, that under your leadership the government has placed its angle everywhere in construction of road in the whole district and in the whole state as a whole.
Tegani ke project ni man ko cipta rapi pher ko ni bitran ke project ko de khodi mau ko jong bude kitin prano kudong ni project ko connect pe chicken talang chlung charbit na ka wi highway chika wi highway to ko snau sorong mo ngi pikap pa ba ko ni bo em na pigmen bi ni program ko first program ko namani kani project daman ko ni ko so ka manya pa plurtam hawa ane ni haitai ha latar ke debo Mawnongrim kamwa legally project ko datam so spa Klur ten ne kasi to wan bo Mawnongrim chief minister o mayayu yake East Jaiñtia Hill region duna ke san spa Klur ton ay titap ti ko sawara.
Sir, I would like to remind you, I remember since the first day I came to your office and proceed regarding with the application for this road. And I remember you told me that if needed, Makarman, I will take you to Delhi and then try to seek what is the best we can do so that we can implement this project. But lucky to say, I don't need to go to Delhi along with you. You yourself, you have done it. And today we witness that it really happened what you have spoken that day.
Friends, today is what we call as politicians maybe one of the happy days for us. A very satisfying day. And trust me when I say this, we as politicians have very few happy days. The road that we are laying the foundation stone for is something that I believe is going to be transformational for this area. It is not just simply a road connectivity, but I believe that it will open up unlimited opportunities for the people living in this area. Whether it is for tourism, whether it's for agriculture, or whether it's just basic day-to-day requirements like going to school or needing medical attention, all of this will be impacted by this particular road. And therefore, I take this opportunity to congratulate and thank your local MLA, a dear friend of mine, for his commitment that he has shown to the people of this region. He had been very clear from the beginning that this is one of the most important projects in his constituency. And while other projects are important, he would like to give one of the top priorities to this project. And however possible, through whichever scheme, he requested me time and again that please include this in some scheme or the other. And therefore, I am very happy that today, through the NESID scheme, which is a scheme of the donor ministry, that's Department of Northeast Region, Government of India, that we have been able to sanction 76 crores. The tender has been completed. The contractor is on board. And I'm sure that the work also will start very soon. And we will be able to complete this project in the days to come. And I would like to urge the contractor as well as the MLA that we must ensure that quality is maintained and we must ensure that the work happens at a fast pace. Friends, like this, throughout the state in different constituencies and different regions, the MDA government has given top priority to road connectivity. And you must have seen the difference in the last 8 years. That maximum number of roads have been constructed in the state during the last 8 years. And it's not just roads, but different infrastructure projects. Be it stadiums, be it schools, be it PHC, CHCs, be it block offices, be it maintenance of outpost police stations. In almost every development aspect, the MDA government has been very, very aggressive to ensure that development reaches to all the corners of the state. And also this happens to be the second visit of a chief minister. As was mentioned earlier, the first chief minister to come here happened to be my late father, late P.S. Sangma. So it is even more of a happier moment for me to know that after him, I am the second Chief Minister to come here and to be part of this celebration and this program. And therefore, this will be definitely a very, very memorable day and a memorable visit and moment for me.